In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield washer pump on this Audi A4. This is going to be located behind the inner fender well on the driver's side. Let's get into it. In the trunk, lift up where the spare tire is. You can see where the toolbox is right here. Just lift the handle, slide this out. You can open this up. Inside, here's the ring that we're looking for. Now using the tool from the trunk, just put that in the hole in the center cap, and you can pull the center cap out. Using a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts off. Before I take the last one, I'm just going to hold the wheel on so it doesn't fall. Grab the wheel, slide it off. Inside here, there's a few screws. We're going to take those out. Use a T25 socket. You may have some down below. This vehicle doesn't have those. Back here, there's a push pin. I'm just going to use a trim tool, pop that out. And another screw up here. Use the T25 socket. Remove that screw. And another screw up top here. Take that one out. T25. And another screw right here. Take that one out. Now I take the inner fender well, pull it back. Just enough so it's out of the way. I'm not going to take it off completely. Out of the way, that's good. Take the screw out here, same T25 socket. Using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. Take that bracket off. Underneath the hood, we're going to take these bolts out here, use a 10mm socket. And using an 8mm socket, take this nut off. So you might want a drain bucket underneath. Grab the top part of the reservoir and it'll separate right there. You might have to wiggle it a little bit, just slide it up. We're going to take this hose off here. Remove this bolt up here, use a 10mm socket. Remove this bolt, same 10mm socket, and the reservoir is going to be loose once you take that out. You can disconnect the connector for the washer pump. Push down on the tab, slide that off. We can disconnect the hose right here. There we go. And you can pull it out and drain the fluid. Take the old pump out. Just grab the pump, slide it up. Rubber grommets in there, that's still good. Take the new pump and slide it in position. Push it down. Take the reservoir, get it close. Push that on there, lock that in place, and the connector, lock that down. Up top, this hose is going to go through here. And get this lined up. Get this bolt started. One up top. Once you get that started, we can tighten that down. Snug that down. And snug this one down. All right, take the upper reservoir, just slide it behind the power steering reservoir. Push that grommet onto the lower reservoir. There we go. And you can connect this hose. right there. That's good. Put these 2 bolts in. Right there. One underneath here. Snug those down. And take this nut. Get that started. Snug it down. At this point, you can fill up the washer fluid. Just take the cap off and add the washer fluid. And put the cap back on. Take this bracket, slide that in place right here, get that bolt started. Snug that down and get one of these screws started. Just make sure that's lined up. Snug that down and reposition it so everything gets lined up. Put the screws back in, get those lined up, and snug those down. And any push pins that you took out, push those back in place. Take the wheel, install the wheel, get the hole lined up, take the lug bolt, get that started. Once you get one in, you can let go of the wheel and get the other one started. And snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just going to go around again, double check. Good. Take the center cap, line that up, and push it on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.